going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna do some work on the rammer. So the rammer, it is time to change filters on her. These things have two filters. Here are the part numbers on them, somewhere right there. There's one, and these are the correct filters for a 2019 Ram 3500. And here is filter number 2 right there. These are the part numbers. And we got buddy Chris over here. He's gonna hang out doing the filters. You gotta remember Chris, MDS Diesel. But they seem pretty easy, these things. So whenever you got one that's right over here, then you got another one that's right up here. Looks like you take an extension, stick it with a ratchet in there. You can get to it. Doesn't seem that difficult, but Chris was in the area. I said, well, shit, while you're in the area, come on by. I got some filters for you to change. It's like, all right. So we're going to do a little video on that, show you guys, his way of doing it. Might be a little different. He might show you little tips, tricks. He's like, well, let me make you a kit real quick, a hose kit to make some stuff a little easier. So that's what he's doing in there, grabbing some fittings, making a hose kit, and I'll show you guys, get under there and show you guys. But first we got to close this garage, get these ACs going, because it's about 100 degrees out right now. You ready to close this up?
Ready.
All right. Also, guys, before we start this video, don't forget to go check out my new channel called Eddie's Product Reviews. So as you guys know, I am giving away these two batteries right here, the lithium polymer batteries for toy haulers. They're about, I want to say, $800-900 a piece. I'm going to give you guys both of those. And I'm also going to give you the box to charge it, the converter to charge it, which is right up there. So we're going to give all that stuff over, but to win that, you have to go follow the new channel, Eddie's Product Reviews. Go subscribe to that channel, because that's where I'm going to give it away. I know we were talking about Zamp. I want to give you guys some solar panels and stuff. Zamp, I don't know. They just, I don't know what's wrong with them. They don't respond. They're just kind of, so-so. So I'm done dealing with them. I'm not going to wait for them no more, because I promise you guys I'm giving these batteries away, and it's been too long. So I just X-nayed them completely. So go follow Eddie's Product Reviews. And if you're subscribed to the channel, that automatically enters you in to win the 2 lithium polymer batteries and the converter box to charge everything up. So now that you know that, let's get started on the rammer. All right, what are you screaming about over here?
Get rid of this extra compressor you don't need no more.
Why? Why do you want to get rid of that?
Because you have 2 back here. You don't need 3.
Oh, you want to do it for well, I like having separate in case one goes out. I mean, why? What is it going to fill any faster?
No.
That's what I'm saying.
They're not plugged together.
No, I'm saying if we plumb it together, though. I mean, how much faster is it going to fill?
None.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't do shit. You
ready? Won't do nothing. Yeah. All right, guys. So first things first.
You got a flashlight or no?
Yeah, we can't see anything. Hold on. Let me get a flashlight, guys. 1 second. All right, we got a light for you guys now. So, first step. What are you gonna do? First step with the hose?
Yep, put the hose on it.
So here it is. It's right under here, guys. This is the filter. Yeah, this is the filter for the lift pump right here, because Ram and Fords have lift pump, correct? It's just GM that believes on their vacuum system.
Yep.
That never
so
works.
Open this little valve right here and get the fuel flowing.
All right. And the reason why, guys, it's good to do the hose like this is because if not, you're gonna make a massive mess.
That coming out right there?
Everywhere. And I'll show you the fuel right there, dripping out. Now, when should you change these, Chris? My thing says, it still says it's at like 30%, which that's a little late for me. I like to change them at, 50%.
I like to do them every 2 oil changes, but...
Every 2 oil changes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Every second oil change.
And there you go, guys. See that? All the fluid's coming out.
Gotta be patient.
How long does that usually come out for?
Oh, a while.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
If not, it just goes down your armpit.
No. All right,
get your
guys.
shirt all wet.
Well, we'll be back after these messages. What size hose is this? If they want to.
I think it's quarter-inch.
Quarter-inch hose?
Hold on, 3. Let me see.
3/8, quarter-inch, maybe.
I can't even see.
Say it on there anywhere.
5/16.
5/16, guys. So if you're looking or wondering the size, 5/16 hose.
It fits perfect.
Yeah, it fits perfect. Open that little Chnage valve right there on the left-hand side, and be patient. Let it drain. All right, guys, it's done draining now. I'd say that was probably a minute, not too long, not too bad. So now he closed it back up, and he's going to open it. What size socket is that?
I think like 20.
28.
Somewhere in there, yeah.
Okay.
I got a 30 on here, but it's a little too big.
A little too big. Yeah, so probably 28. He's got a 30, but you can see when he's turning it how it's just a little too big.
It's
but
too hot outside to go get the right size.
I have them here in the garage. So, but you can use a 28, guys. It don't matter, just as long as you're easy get that off. And when you get that off, should you put any grease or anything on it? Is there an O-ring?
Yep.
There is, okay. So we'll show you guys that process and that step. Now, now when you guys open it up, it's still going to, you're going to still get a little bit coming out of it. Obviously, you're not going to get every little bit. What I did is put some just rags on the drive shaft so it's not, you know, just soaking the crap out of it. You see it running down right there. Great. Now you smell diesel fuel all day in here.
It smells good.
That's nice. Yeah, that was a nice smell of diesel in the what time is it? 4 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, you don't want to get in your eyes either, you know.
Oh man, things. Oh, look at that. The thing is filthy. Jeez Louise.
That's why you put the rag there. See that?
Yeah. Holy moly! So you guys are gonna get some good fuel out of there. Woo! Whoa! 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 Oh my goodness.
It's a lot worse if you don't drain it.
I was gonna say I can only imagine if you don't drain it.
Yeah. So we're gonna go over this way.
So come on that side and bam, just like that. That thing is filthy, man.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez. Well, so guys, my truck has 12,000 miles. These have never been replaced. This is the first time it's been replaced. So that tells me I'll probably do it every 6,000 miles because according to this filter, look at this. To me,
It's not bad.
so the Chris is not bad. To me, that's dirty.
A little bit of stuff on there.
I mean, you know me, guys. I like my stuff clean and perfect. So that's no bueno for me, my
There's the
friend.
O-ring right there.
You replaced the O-ring. I'm sure it comes with one.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
All right. So almost done. That's pretty easy. There's number 1. Now, is there a prime? You know how to prime it, or?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay, so we'll go that step for you guys also.
Well, you can do it with a scan tool, or you can just leave the key on.
Yeah, I was gonna say, can't you do it with just a key?
Yeah.
All right. So the Duramax, you guys remember, you got to sit there on the passenger side. And you got to pump that little ball on here. We're just gonna turn the key. So he's gonna grab the filter right now, and we'll put it together, and then we'll show you guys how to do the one under the hood. Okay, guys, look at the difference between the old one and the new one. That's just like nice pure white.
Yeah.
That's just nasty, dude. Straight
So
nasty.
yeah, the filter just sets on this way.
Goes
O-ring
on
down.
that way.
Yep.
Okay, which I'm sure goes on one way. They probably can't screw that up.
Yep.
The O-ring is on there. We put some grease. I like to use the Napa.
Silicone lube.
Yeah, or you could use like probably dielectric grease would work too. Just something to lube it up. And then just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now, is there a specific torque spec, or you just snug it down?
There is. It usually says on the cap, but I didn't even read it.
Oh. Does it really matter, though? I mean, I'm sure it can't be that much. It's all plastic, so... What is it, 12 pounds?
I think it says like 25 newton meters usually or something like that, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, we just...
I've done so many.
Yeah, we just snug them, guys. I mean, you don't need to...
Basically, until it seats, you know, the O-ring will seal it just until this part seats against there is all you want.
Yeah, it's not really... And I'm sure some people are going to go, oh my God, no, you gotta torque that thing down, but it's not really that necessary. There you go, see that? So you just snugged it, squeeze the O-ring, clean my shaft,
Yeah, rub the shaft.
rub my shaft, yeah, get nice and clean. Make sure you guys rub your shaft. You know, don't leave diesel fuel on your shaft now, it might burn. And we'll start the one under the hood. So for the top one, a lot of people don't drain the top one. I'm not sure why. I don't know if they don't know where it is, but I'll show you where we drain the top one real quick. Damn, it is hot. But oh, actually, no, it's not bad. I'll tell you what, the Ford transmission probably burnt me right now, huh? All right, let's see. Where is? Oh, I gotta move this light out of the way for you guys. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna bring the light over here.
I can get my hand.
I don't know. So you guys see that little clear? Oh, let me stick this camera. Oh, hold on. Oh, I gotta try different angles. There we go. Okay, so you guys see that little clear hose? That clear hose was just hanging here. It's not something he added. The only thing he added was that little barb fitting right there.
Yeah, I didn't push it all the way in because it gets stuck.
Yeah, don't push all the way in. Just the tip.
Just the tip.
Just the tip. And then you're going to...
We need to get this so it stays in the bucket.
And then we're going to go up top. He'll open the same
the valve.
Yeah, and it'll drain right there. Same little chingus. I'm not sure why people don't drain it, like I said, but this is a lot easier way. So why don't you, here, Chris, you can just go open the valve and I'll hold the hose.
In there?
So, yeah, it don't fall out of the, don't fall out.
Here, I'll just cut it so it's shorter. Where's my cutters?
Oh, I think I saw the cutters here on the floor somewhere.
Behind you, I think.
Hold on, guys, we gotta find some cutters. Oh, no, they're over here. All right, guys, so here, Chris, show them where, if you can. I don't know. Chris has got the camera, guys. So.
It's that yellow knob down here. So I'm gonna open it, spin it to the left. Alright,
and then we'll see, show them, down here, what we got going on, and bam, see that?
Draining?
Got a little peeper coming out of there, partner. So that's draining there. Let that finish. And he'll probably need to get an extension and a socket for that one and pull that out. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me zoom in. There it is, right there. So see his socket. So this one is up and down. It's not like the other one on the bottom. And it's still draining, but the thing with this one is it's not going to drip all over you.
See, there's the torque on it. It says 30.5 newton meters.
30.5 newton meters?
Yeah.
So that's what, like?
You got to convert it to foot-pounds.
13 pounds, I think. Probably. Bam. Ooh, little warm. Yeah. And we'll show you guys here filter number 2 coming out. How's that one? Pretty dirty?
Yeah. Nah, this one's a secondary, so it's...
Doesn't get as dirty.
Mm-hmm.
And there you go, guys. Bam. So that was not too bad.
Nice and clean.
Yeah, it's actually pretty clean still. But gotta change them both, guys. Gotta change them both.
New filter.
There you go. Look at that.
That way. The O-ring actually goes on the canister this time.
Okay.
So we're gonna get the old one off still. So that's kind of tight to get it in here. You gotta move some stuff around.
Yeah, watch my EGR stuff, okay?
Yeah.
Don't hit my EGR.
All those wires that tied over here for some reason.
What? That's you. Wires. There's no wires down there. There you go. Okay. See that right there.
So there's the old O-ring right here.
Bam.
Okay.
And yes, guys, you should always change the O-ring. Don't, say, oh, I mean, it comes with new O-ring, so try not to half the job and just change the O-ring. And guys, this is the lube that I was talking about right here. Silly Glide. I like this stuff. This stuff works really good. Like, really good. That's my favorite lube right there.
Just a little bit. That's all.
That's it. Nothing crazy. There you go. Need a little lube. That's it. Now head back to the fuel station and put your O-ring back on. Alright guys, so we snugged it down by hand first. Now he's going to snug it with the ratchet. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of tight to get in there. There you go. There you go, right there. Now, what size is that? Same thing, probably.
Same
28?
thing. Yeah.
Yeah. 28 or 30, guys. He's using 30, but 30 is not the right size.
There we go. 2 fingers, snug. And we got to close that valve back off.
Yeah, don't forget to close that.
All right.
That's
and then
very
pull the
important,
hose
guys.
off, the drain hose off.
And then we're going to primer. And bada bing, bada boom. Okay, now we're going to prime it. So, the process. Chris, explain the process of priming.
Without pushing, well, yours is
push button.
Push button.
Yeah.
So we just push the button.
So you're
gonna push the brake pedal.
Yeah, we're not gonna start it. You want to put it in, guys, the run position. So you have.
Well, you need
there's no key fob. Where's the key? Oh, it's right here in the door. Sorry, it's too far away from it. Sorry. Here you go, rammer. All right, keys in there. So you're gonna hit it once, ACC, and then run. Boom, just like that. But do not start it. So right now, what it's doing is it's priming the system. And that's it, guys. Just let it sit here, prime for a little bit. And then you could, I mean, turn it on off a couple times. Is it necessary to turn it on and off a couple times?
Yeah, a couple times, probably about 3 times.
Yeah, I would personally do it 3 times, so because eventually that pump shuts off. So that's off. We'll do it again. So you can hear it at that prime. My magic number will be 3 times, but I mean, I don't know. It's up to you guys how many times you want to do it. Doesn't really matter. Off. We'll do it one more time. Man, you can hear it in the back. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but you can hear it back there priming. Now, Chris, what happens if they do this and it still doesn't start? Is just your process just keep turning the key on and off, let it build pressure?
Well, some of them require crankshaft roll for the fuel pump to start, so
okay.
You have to get the scan tool and turn the lift pump on.
Okay, but well, the lift pump on this, I can hear it.
Yeah. When
I turn it on.
Well, some require a crank signal, some will do it with just the key on.
Okay. All right, but all the Rams are what? Just a key on?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. Well, bam, just like that, guys. We started her, tested it, turned the key on, primed it, bada bing, bada boom, she's done. But like I said in the video, I would probably change those a little sooner just because to me, that was pretty dirty. I don't like my stuff getting that dirty. And before you guys asking about lift pump, if I'm going to add a lift pump, yeah, I was thinking about putting like the fast 160 or 165, I believe it is, the new one. But I want to do other things to this thing. You know, I'm trying to start color match, you know, everything. But I just, again, can't find a good painter. Now, there is a guy that I'm looking at, but I just have to send everything to him for the lights and everything. And right now with, you know, the lake going on, towing the boat, you know, just using the truck, I don't really want this thing out because he needs it for like 2 weeks. So, I don't know about that. So there you have it, guys, on the filters. If you got any more questions, you can DM me at Eddie's Life. But that's about it. Now we got to start making some more videos for you guys on the Eddie's product review channel. We got some inverters we're going to be doing and flex seal we're going to be doing next. Right here, we're building a new car. This is a nightmare. If you guys always wonder, Eddie, is it fun, you know, building these cars when you get these RC cars? You know, not really. Kind of, sort of. I mean, you just got bags and bags and bags and bags and bags. Oh, did I mention you got bags and bags of stuff to build, and it's a mess and it's hard, but it's fun. You know, it takes a little bit, but it's fun building these things. I enjoy it. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to go follow my other channel, Eddie's Product Reviews, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. And that's all I got for you. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Yeah.